Hello, hello. I want to present you today one of my favorite apps. Joking, it's not ChatGPT, it's one of the apps that I built a couple of months ago that I'm using honestly multiple times per day. And it's called Superhero. It's, let's say, the fastest, most convenient way to use LLMs on your computer, specific for your workflows. And it's also free. But before I show you how it works, I'll show you how my typical or most people's typical workflow works. Imagine I'm reading an article. Anger and disappointment as fans surprised out on the World Cup. Okay, it's a very long article. I just need the gist of it. Let me copy the URL. I'll paste it in ChatGPT. Please summarize. Okay, now I'm waiting. Okay, I couldn't retrieve the information because BBC is blocking. It's fine. I copy the text. Let me paste it. And now it will give me a summary. And honestly, I see it. I probably spent already 30 seconds on this, which is actually pretty insane. You know, with copy pasting, moving around, and I even have everything prepared and open, right? Isn't there an easier way to do it? Oh, there is. You select all of the text, you double press Option key quickly, and you get Superhero. And here you can very easily just press the summary button. And it will create a summary of the article for me. Yeah, nice short summary of the article. Amazing. What else can you do? I mean, honestly, anything that you can do with ChatGPT, you just do it within your computer. Oh, I'm working on a new feature. Well, let's make it easy to order milk on Google Docs by adding a Got Milk button. Again, select the text, we'll press Option, and you can start typing, right? Create a PRD. And nice, I have a PRD full of this text. What's even nicer, I've selected auto copy. So this is already copied on my clipboard. But I can already replace it, and as you can see, I have a quickly replace. You press enter twice, quickly, and it replaces all of the text. Super convenient. As you can imagine, like the use cases are endless. But what's the really nice thing of all of this is that when I open the settings, essentially, all of the custom buttons that you saw, you can manage yourself. And you can create a new button, you can move them around. So depending on your workflows, you can do whatever you want. And of course, all of the the system ones, you can open them and check the prompt and edit it yourself and use it yourself. So essentially, depending on your workflow, you can do whatever you want. You can do, I'm constantly doing A/B tests, so I need help with the copy. I'm curious about bias check. I'm constantly translating stuff. I need stuff to be explained more simply. I don't know. For example, I'm studying German right now, so I normally have a button which is explain the grammar, or I have a button do this exercise, right? And I'm constantly using translate, or I have a button simplify, and which already knows to write it in simple German for me, which really helps me to be super quick when I'm doing a particular task. And the other really beautiful thing is how it works. And it's beautiful in two ways. First, there is the option to use the Apple Foundation model, which is actually quite powerful, and it's completely free. I think it runs between on device and in the cloud, but it's the most private one that you can use, and Apple are not using it to sell you ads. It's pretty nice. But then if you say, the Apple one is not good enough, I've made it very easy for you to use any of the Google Gemini models. Why Google Gemini? This is actually how I built it initially before Apple released their foundation models, because Google is actually giving you very high limits that you can use for free. So you can essentially create your account, in the Google Cloud Console. I'm not sure how it's called, and you can paste your API and use it. I think some of the smaller models you can do like 100 prompts per hour, which is honestly plenty. Yeah, and this is what pretty much the app does. Super nice, easy, quick, simple. Once again, the most beautiful thing is that it's very customizable. Like you can trigger it from anywhere. It will overlay on anything, and it's all about shortcuts. So for every small thing, double press Option key, select an option, and then double press enter if you want to replace, or if you want to copy paste it somewhere else, it's already copied on your clipboard. So this is what the app is about. Obviously, there are a lot of things that I can do better and make it better. It will be completely free. I actually think it's already on my GitHub and anyone could download it. But yeah, this is what it's about.